কখনো কখনো কিন্তু আমাদের প্রচুর পরিমাণ ইনভিটেশনস আসতে থাকে, রাইট? এবং আমাদেরও মাঝে মধ্যে কতগুলো ইনভিটেশনসকে ডিক্লাইন করার প্রয়োজন পড়ে। সো আজকের এই লেসনে আমরা এমনই কতগুলো অল্টারনেটিভ ওয়েজ শিখে নিব, পোলাইট অল্টারনেটিভ ওয়েজ শিখে নিব, যেগুলো দিয়ে কিনা আমরা খুব পোলাইট ওয়েতে কারো একটা ইনভিটেশনসকে ডিক্লাইন করতে পারি। সো দ্য টপিক অফ our today's lesson is all about declining an invitation, or you can also call like refusing an invitation in a very polite way that will help you a lot to decline an invitation in a very great way without hurting the opposite person who will like invite you. So I hope you will enjoy this entire video, as well as you will also use these kinds of alternative ways that I will tell you today to decline an invitation. So no more delay, let's get started. I'm sorry to refuse your invitation. I'm sorry to refuse your invitation. It implies that you are extremely sorry to refuse that invitation. So here you can use I'm sorry to refuse your invitation. I'm sorry to refuse your invitation. Here you need to express about your body language that you are really sorry to refuse that invitation. Not, you don't need to smile like me. So that time you need to show your impression here also. So I'm sorry to refuse your invitation. Thanks for your invitation, but I'm busy now. Thanks for your invitation, but I'm busy now. It implies that you are really eager to attend that invitation, but because of your busyness, you are not able to attend that invitation. So here you can say, thanks for your invitation, but I'm busy now. Sorry, I'd love to, but I have an appointment. Sorry, I'd love to, but I have an appointment. You have an appointment, but you really eager to attend that invitation. So here you can say, sorry, I'd love to, but I have an appointment. I'm really sorry, but I've got something else on. I'm really sorry, but I've got something else on. That means you have got some other work, and this time you need to do that work. So you want to go to that invitation, but you've got something else on. I wish I could, but I've an appointment. I wish I could, but I've an appointment. It implies that you wish if you could go to that invitation, but you've got an appointment. That's why you are not able to go to that invitation right now. So you can use these kinds of alternative ways in your daily life to decline an invitation in a very polite way that will help you a lot to decline an invitation in a great way. So I hope sometimes whenever you need to decline an invitation, you will use these kinds of alternative ways to decline an invitation in a very great way. So thank you so much guys for enjoying this presentation, and if you want to get my more live presentations and video presentations, you can also follow and like my Facebook page Bijay English Presentation, given in the comment section and description also. And I hope you will also don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel bijay.net. So see you in the next. Till then, bye bye.